हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सब। आज हम पढ़ेंगे कलर्स नेम। आज हम पढ़ेंगे रंगों के नाम, इसलिए वीडियो को अंत तक ज़रूर देखें। वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दें। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। इट्स अ ब्लैक, BLACK, black. Black means kala. It's a white, WHITE, white. White means safed. It's a violet, VIOLET, violet. Violet means बैंगनी. It's a grey, GREY, grey. Grey means grey. It's a orange, ORANGE, orange means narangi. It's a pink, PINK, pink. Pink means gulabi. It's a yellow, YELLOW, yellow. Yellow means peela. It's a golden, GOLDEN, golden. Golden means sunehra. It's a red, RED, red. Red means lal. It's a green, GREEN, green. Green means hara. It's a blue, BLUE, blue. Blue means neela. Purple. It's a purple, PURPLE, purple. Purple means बैंगनी. It's a indigo, INDIGO, indigo. Indigo means नील जामुनी. It's a brown, BROWN, brown. Brown means bhura. It's a navy blue, NAVY BLUE, navy blue means gehra neela. It's a mustard, MUSTARD, mustard means सरसों रंग. It's a plum, PLUM, plum. Plum means बेर रंग. It's a coral, CORAL, coral means मूंगिया रंग. It's a mint, MINT, mint. Mint means टकसाल रंग. It's a olive, OLIVE, olive means जैतून का रंग. It's a magenta, MAGENTA, magenta. Magenta means गहरा गुलाबी. It's a dark blue, DARKBLUE, dark blue means गहरा नीला. It's a cyan, CYAN, cyan. Cyan means हरी नील. It's a maroon, MAROON, मरून, मरून मीन्स भूरा लाल रंग।